Hey fragrance fam, and welcome to our project lab. I'm super excited because in this video we're showing you guys how to use our in-house laundry base. Laundry care has been a huge hit in the fragrance market. Everyone washes their clothes, but laundry care products haven't always had the most exciting scents. With our laundry base, you can make a detergent to pair with your line of candles, soaps, or air fresheners. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into it. All you need is our base and your fragrance of choice. That's it. The base is made with a blend of gentle plant-derived surfactants, a water softener, and a tiny bit of low-toxicity preservatives. This makes it easy to craft with and even easier to use. It can be used just like any other liquid laundry detergent in your washing machine. So I have some of our best-selling fresh linen fragrance here, which is a perfect pick for laundry care. So to scent about 4 pounds of laundry base, which I have right here, you're gonna need 2 ounces of AFI fragrance. This amounts to a 3% concentration, which we recommend for most fragrances in our base. It doesn't seem like it's a lot, but it comes through beautifully in the finished product. It's not too strong, it's skin safe, and it's just enough to leave a gentle, long-lasting scent on your clothes. Mix the laundry base and your fragrance in a vessel large enough to blend everything together. We recommend a large glass beaker, a measuring cup, or HDPE plastic container like I have here. Depending on the fragrance you use, the base may go slightly cloudy. This happens when certain fragrance raw materials blend with the surfactants in the base. It's not an indication that the formula's stability is broken. It will still work just as well. If you're not too keen on how this looks, try some opaque packaging. Amber containers look especially luxurious. Stir gently but thoroughly. You don't want to activate too many bubbles. Once the base and fragrance are blended uniformly, use a funnel to carefully fill a 2-liter capacity bottle with a pump nozzle to easily dispense the detergent. You can also opt for a traditional detergent bottle with a pour spout. To spruce up the simple packaging, add a label with imagery that represents the product, fragrance, and your branding. Natural botanical designs give the detergent a bespoke and high-end touch to an otherwise basic product. And that's all there really is to it. If you want to know more about laundry base and try it out for yourself, reach out to our team and we can get you hooked up. Leave any questions you might have in the comment section down below and drop us a like. As always, I'm Maddie with AFI, and I'm so glad that you guys decided to join me today for making laundry detergent. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video real soon. Bye!